Hello, my name is Peter and I'm a volunteer at Havering Museum. I'd like to take this opportunity to tell you about a walk that I'll be leading on Wednesday the 15th of September here at the Country Park. You may know that Hornchurch Country Park is built within the confines of the old RAF Hornchurch fighter station. You can see behind me some of the fortifications. On the 15th, I'll be telling people about the airfield, about the people who lived and died defending the country. We'll also look at how you can win a VC and the courage that it takes. We'll be looking at friendly fire, which isn't friendly. We'll also be having a walk through a beautiful area of countryside as it is now, and reflecting upon how things have changed over the last 80 odd years, from Battle of Britain Airfield to beautiful Country Park. I look forward to seeing you then. You can find out about the walk by visiting the Havering Museum website, haveringmuseum.org.uk, where you can reserve a ticket to join us. We are limiting the number of people on the walks so that we can all be very comfortable together. I look forward to seeing you.